the Native Americans, what did they do? They formed their communities or tribes. Let's put a bunch of people living together. Now, in California, that's California today. Was it called California back then?
No.
It's our area called California now. These 4 regions, Native Americans formed their communities or their tribes. What do I mean by a tribe or a community? Is that people that live far apart from each other or a group of people that live together? Tell the people at your table. Go. What is a community?
A group of people that live together.
What is a community? Stop for a minute. I just said tell your people at your table what a tribe or what a community is. And then, you know what I saw? I saw this. This is called table talk. Go ahead, guys. You're standing up. You don't need to push your chair in. Just lean in. Look how they're leaning in. Do you see how they're leaning in over here? Standing up. And they're all doing what high school, and actually this is like a college level activity. They're all going like this. A community is a group of people that live together. Is everyone ready to do that?
Yes.
Stand and tell your group, what is a community? Go. A community is a group of people that... All right, ready? Now, we're putting a spotlight here. Are we ready, my friends? Put your pencil down for a minute. Look at me. What is a community?
A big group of people that live together.
What is a community?
A big group of people that live together.
Man, everyone go, wow.
Wow!
Did you all look like college students at your table talk?
Yes.
All right, let's go over here. So they formed, shall we say, tribes or communities?
Tribes.
Now, I'm going to have you put your brains on. Everyone put your brain on. Are we ready? Look straight up here at the board, please. Up here at the top, what was this area called?
Mountains.
And were there communities that formed in the mountains?
Yes.
Now, were these Native Americans, did they live the same in the mountains as the communities that lived in the desert? Or did they live differently?
Differently.
Tell the people at your table, why would they live differently? Go. Why? What was there in the mountains and in the desert? What made them live differently? Don't tell me, tell the people at your table. Table talk, go.
Yes, they lived somewhere in the desert and somewhere in like the regular areas of California. Yeah, true.
Number 20. Tell me, would the Native American tribes in the desert live the same way as Native American tribes in the mountains? Yes or no?
No.
Why not?
Because it's much hotter in the bottom and much colder on the top.
So, would you dress the same?
No.
Would you live in the same houses?
No.
Would you eat the same food?
No.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see if you're right. Ready, everybody? Let's read our notes so far. Go.
4 nations, California, mountains, coastal, Central Valley, and desert
is where the Native Americans formed their tribes. Okay. Now, were they the same types of tribes or different types of tribes?
Different tribes.
Let's go back and read it again. Ready, set, go. The 4 regions of California, mountains, coastal, Central Valley, and the desert is where the Native Americans formed different types of tribes depending on, what was one thing that you said? Why'd you say they would be different?
Because it's much colder on the top and much hot on the bottom.
All right, we're going to write down a word here. Depending on their regions.
Climate.
Climate. When you have climate, it sort of looks like that. Look how you're writing down climate too. Do you see how that's in your hand? Grab that pencil. Show me you're ready. Write it down. Write climate. You got it. Climate. Is climate just weather, or is it weather you can predict?
Weather you predict.
Okay, then let me see if you can predict this. If I'm up in the mountains and it's winter time, what would I be able to predict up in the mountains would be happening? Everybody tell me.
Snow.
Summertime comes. Is there snow anymore?
No.
Now what is it going to be?
Water.
Ooh. Now, what if I'm in the desert and it's summertime? What can I predict?
It's gonna be hot.
Hot. Really hot. Oh. So, when you say climate, is it just, oh, what the weather is today?
No.
Or is climate weather you can predict?
Whether you can predict.
Please tell the people at your table, table talk, college talk, lean forward. What's climate? Tell them, what's climate?
Whether you can predict.
What's climate? Whether you can.
Weather.
Okay, sit back.